Hi there, I'm Neeraj Kumar and you are watching YouTube channel of Department of Zoology, L&D College Motihari. It is a permanent constituent and NAC B plus graded college under B.R.A. Bihar University Muzaffarpur. Today, in this video lecture, I will talk about the topic Geography of Ethiopian region. This topic is a part of the syllabus of B.Sc Zoology, Part 3, Paper 7 and Group B. So, let's start the topic and here we go. What is geography? Geography is the branch of zoology which deals with the distribution of present and past animal species in the world. Next topic is introduction. Various attempts have been made during last 100 years to classify the earth into a number of regions or realms. Dr. P.L. Sclater was the first to map out geographical regions based on the distribution of terrestrial vertebrates, especially the mammals. Dr. Sclater divided the earth into 6 regions. These 6 regions are as follows. First is Palearctic region, second is Ethiopian region, third is Australian region, fourth Neotropical, fifth Nearctic and last is Indian region. This was also supported by Dr. Gunther, who divided the earth along the same line, but Dr. Gunther made reptiles as a major fauna. In 1869, W.T. Blandford proposed the name Malayan for Indian region. That means Blandford changed the name Indian region into Malayan region. In 1859, Huxley proposed the division of Earth into 2 primary divisions as Arctogia and Notogia. In 1871, E. Blyth divided the Earth into 7 regions and 26 subregions. In last, Alfred Russel Wallace in 1876 adopted the division made by Sclater. The name Oriental was given for Indian region. That means A.R. Wallace changed the name of Indian region into Oriental region. Dr. Hilpreen suggested the union of Nearctic and Palearctic regions into a common Holarctic region. Next topic is geographical limits or geographical boundaries. Ethiopian region includes whole Africa, south of Sahara, this is Sahara Desert, this region is Sahara Desert, Madagascar, this is Madagascar, and southern Arabia, but Darlington in 1957 have separated Madagascar from this region. This is Madagascar, this region is Madagascar, and this is detailed map of Madagascar region. Next topic is climate. Ethiopian region has big rivers and tropical evergreen forests as well as mountains and grassy plains. There are 2 major deserts. First is Sahara Desert and second is Kalahari Desert. Savanna is the famous grassland of African region or Ethiopian region. Over 50% of Africa has inadequate precipitation. 92% of the continent of Africa experiences climate controls, shortage of water where it is needed most, and oversupply of water where it cannot be fully used. About 8% of Africa has a tropical climate with 10 to 12 months of rainfall. Africa has about 1/3 of all the arid lands in the world. Next topic is subregions of Ethiopian region. Ethiopian region, as already mentioned earlier, is divided into 4 subregions. These subregions are as follows. First is East African subregion. This area is East African subregion. This is West African subregion, third is South African subregion, and fourth is Malagasy subregion. This is Malagasy subregion. In details, East African subregion includes tropical Africa and tropical Arabia. It has land connectivity with Palearctic region, but Sahara Desert acts as a barrier. It has total 145 families of animals. Zebra, rhinoceros, and giraffe are peculiar. This is giraffe, and this is zebra. These are peculiar to Ethiopian regions. This is Sahara Desert. This is Kalahari Desert. Second subregion is West African subregion. It includes African forest region, which extends up to Congo. Gorillas, chimpanzees, and flying squirrel are peculiar animals of this subregion. This is gorilla and this is chimpanzee. These are big primates or non-human apes. Third subregion is called South African subregion, which is bounded by the Kalahari in the northwest and by Limpopo Valley on the northeast and up to Mozambique in the north. This is Mozambique. This part has Kalahari Desert. This is Limpopo River, which finally ends into Indian Ocean, and its valley is called Limpopo Valley. This is aerial view of Limpopo River. Fourth subregion is called Malagasy subregion, which includes the island of Madagascar and the neighboring smaller islands. Next topic is fauna of Ethiopian region. The word fauna means the particular animals of a particular region or time. Among vertebrate fauna, first is fishes. Among fishes, archbichids, protopterus, isopondyli fish, few catfishes, mormyrids, etc. are found. First figure is of dipnoan fish, which is also called as protopterus. It is air-breathing fish. This is mormyrids. It emits electric current. Among vertebrates, second is amphibia. Among amphibians, apodons, bufonids, ranids, rhacophorids, brevicipitids are found. Rana and bufo are absent. Xenopus, polypeptidae, etc. are present. Tailed amphibians or urodels or caudata are absent. Reptilia. Among reptiles, crocodiles and turtles are numerous. Trionychidae, Testudinidae, and Pilomedusis are among turtles. Chameleonidae is exclusive to this region. Crocodilidae, spiny lizards, and Felinidae are exclusive. Among snakes, pythons, typhlops, colubrids, leptotyphlops, and viperids are the snakes of this region. This is chameleon, this is crocodile, this is viper, this is python. Next is apes or birds. In Ethiopian region, total 67 families of birds are found, out of which 53 are worldwide in distribution and 6 are exclusive. Hornbills, herons, goatsuckers, storks, thrushes, larks, parrots, regions, swallows, bee-eaters, shrikes, finches, bustards, guinea fowls, etc. are common birds. This figure is of swallow. This is hornbill. This is bee-eater. This is also hornbill. It is heron. This is pitta. This is swallow. These are exclusive birds of Ethiopian region. First is ostrich, secretary bird, helmet bird, pitta, mouse birds, and hammer-headed birds. This is ostrich, which is only found in Ethiopian region. These are largest birds ostriches, secretary birds, hammer-headed birds, and some other birds of Ethiopian region you may see in figure. Among vertebrates, last is mammals. So there are total 38 families of mammals, out of which 12 are exclusive, which are exclusively found in Ethiopian region. Among these, giraffe, hippopotamus, aardvarks, 3 families of insectivorous and 6 families of rodents are also found. Zebra, many species of antelopes are unique. Panthers and African elephants are also found. This is giraffe. This is zebra. These are wild cats of Africa, big cats including African leopards, African lion, cheetah, caracal, jungle cat, sand cat, black-footed cat, African wildcat, golden cat, serval. This is African elephant, largest elephant. These are antelopes of African region or Ethiopian region. Thank you. Thank you all for watching this video. You can share your feedback, if any, on email zoology.lndc@gmail.com, or you may tweet on zoologylndc1. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you again. Have a good day.